welcome to Shrisha's kitchen, the taste of heaven. The summer's at its peak. Well, today I thought I'll share a recipe that will cool all of you. Usually when I go to India for my summer vacation, there would be this man who would be selling popsicles, ice creams and many more of those delightful things that we would like to have at summer in our trunk behind his bike. I would usually enjoy eating popsicles from him. There would be lots of flavors inside that trunk. Well, today I'm going to show you 2 of those flavors that was in the trunk that I've tasted and I've tried to duplicate, and 2 others are made fruit based. So let's get started. So first let's see how to make roast Semiya popsicle. So I've took this broken Semiya and I have boiled it nicely in water. Look friends, it is boiled nicely. This is my mold. You can use any mold that is available at your place. Now I'm just going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of this Semiya, and then I'm going to pour in our rose syrup. Friends, I have already shown in my channel how to make this rose syrup. I'll put the link in the description, and as well as you can see it in the side over here. So after you have added the syrup, I'm going to add a little bit of milk till the brim of the mold. Friends, the milk for the popsicle, you can heat the milk in the stove just until it reduces a little bit, and then you can use it. In that way it will give us more thickness and richness in the taste as well as in structure. So friends, you can see that rose syrup is at the bottom and the milk is at the top. It gives this beautiful shading, right? If you like that color, you can keep it like that. But what will happen is that the sweetness will be mostly at the bottom, that is the rose syrup, and the milk would have not that much taste. So I'm just going to mix it. You can do it any way you like. So let's give it a nice mix. After it's well mixed, you can pop it inside the freezer, and that's it. Our rose Semiya popsicle is ready. This is another type of popsicle I used to eat from him. It is coconut popsicle. For this I've took 1 tablespoon of shredded coconut. Friends, you can add more if you like. And then I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of Bengal gram. Friends, this is optional. This will add a little bit of crispier texture to our popsicle. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Friends, today I've taken the normal cow's milk and I'm going to add it in. But friends, you can also use coconut milk. It would give you more of the coconut flavor and it will be amazing, friends, I'm telling you. So we'll just push the dal a little bit towards the bottom. And after that, you can pop it inside the freezer, and that's it. Our coconut popsicle is ready. Next, let's go to our fruit-based popsicles. Let's see how to make the lemonade popsicle. So here I have cut grapes, kiwi and banana into small slices like this. You can cut it according to how you would like to eat it, friends. And I have also kept my lemonade ready. So now in the mold, I'm going to add in our fruits. I'm going to add them one by one. So friends, now I have finished adding in my fruits. Now let's pour in our tasty lemonade. I have added sugar in the lemonade. And friends, as you can see, all the fruits, the time I poured the lemonade, came running towards the surface. I was quite disappointed, but when I kept it in the freezer for chilling, while it started to cool, when the lemonade became thick, I just pushed the fruits little bit towards the bottom and then it stayed. Next, let's see how to make our delicious rainbow popsicle. So for the red color, I've took watermelon. Friends, for this you need to have very little quantity. I have few pieces of watermelon. To that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, as watermelon is already sweet. So now let's grind it, and then into the mold I'm going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of this watermelon puree. And friends, we need to freeze each layer because when we put the next layer, otherwise everything will get mixed up. So next, for the orange color, I have took orange itself. So in the orange juice, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. So let's mix it nicely, and then I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of this juice above the watermelon. So friends, you can see this amazing color. Look how beautiful it is. So next, for the green color, I'm going to take kiwi. So I have here few pieces of kiwi and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. So now let's grind it nicely. So friends, look at the magic. The watermelon rose up and then the orange settled at the bottom. They both exchanged the places and I have no idea why, but still I love the shading. So we're just going to go ahead. I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of kiwi puree. So friends, you can see that my popsicle stick that I got with this set is short. So I'm going to add in the wooden ice cream stick and I'm going to cover the rest with the foil. Now let this freeze. So next I've took a bunch of black grapes for the purple color. So in that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar and then let's grind it beautifully like this. You can see the purple color. So let's add it on top of the kiwi. Friends, I'm telling this grape, it has an amazing taste. This is my most loved flavor, and after that orange, and all of these are so amazing and I'm sure you guys should try this out. So let's just cover it and let's pop it inside the freezer. So that's it. Our 4 amazing different kinds of popsicles are ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Love you guys. Bye bye.